Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in this video we are going to talk about the checkbox. Okay, so this is used whenever you need to check some, let's say some settings. This would be very useful. So let's drag some checkbox here. So this guys can see this can be used as a option. So we're gonna need to define. So this could be a selection. So this will virtually have the true or false capability. So let's say I'm building some system and I need to define some options. Let's say let's see some system. Let's say so the text of this component should be the option itself. So let's say I'm creating a exporter to something. So let's say high quality. Let me see, high quality, equality. Okay, that I can check or uncheck. Let's copy and paste this here. Let's put some other here. I could do high quality. Let's delete this. I need to increase this just a little. Let's come to font. I'm gonna put a 16 again. Okay, it's better now. Let's copy and paste. Let's put a so let's say I wanna um, build some program and I need to define some parameters. Let me think of something more relatable. So let's say I'm building this to export a file. So let, let's put high compression. High compression. Okay, high compression. Let's put a high compression, and let's see the format. We could put zip. Let's put zip. Okay, and zip, or the other one is chunks. Okay, okay. So we got this. So you guys can think this as settings. So we got this simple example. As you guys can see that I talk about a compression program. So you guys could define some parameters. So high compression, zip, and chunks, which would split the file into several parts. So we got an error. We're gonna need to, yeah, I got an error because I had some code from the other video. Let's execute. Still got an error. Okay, let me see here again if we're gonna get that error. Okay, it's all good. So you guys can see that we can check and uncheck these checkboxes. Let's say I want to define some parameter here. So as you guys can see, this is very interesting. There's not much to it more than that, but let's go back here, which is gonna be this thing. So let me think of something here. So let's say I have this parameters, and I need to get them. So if I double click it, you guys can see that checkbox changed. I could actually define some of parameters of the window itself. Let me see what we can do here to demonstrate how to use this in a real world application. let's um let's create a button called validate. Okay, this is going to be very interesting, I think. Let's put validate. Okay, when I click validate, I should show all the settings. Okay, so let me see here what we're gonna do. Because we have the capability of getting that. Just like, okay, let's create strings here. String compression, string dot empty, string zip equals string dot empty, string, and the string the last is chunks, well, equals string dot empty. So we're gonna create these empty strings. I'm gonna define the content of string. So let's say if we will need to define several statements here to check all the possibilities. So if I could do several at once, if this dot checkbox one dot equals checked. Let me see the checkbox dot. I forgot the. Let's see the state. Let's see the type of this variable. Dot checked is a, okay, it's bool. So it's true. What we're gonna do is basically assign some variable. We could append the settings. Okay, let's just create a simple string and we're gonna append the actually, so string settings equals string dot empty. Okay. So if this dot checkbox dot checked settings, let's go back here. Settings equals compression high. Else, okay, else I'm gonna do, let's copy and paste compression low, something like that. So we got the first part. I'm gonna need to do this 2 more times to the remaining 2 checkboxes. So checkbox number 2 is going to be the zip. So we need to append this, append a /n and put zip. Let's put enabled. Let's put true here. And we still need to put this because this is a simple conditional. False. We need to copy this. Let's just copy everything, and come here to checkbox number 3, chunks and chunks. Okay, there we go. We still need to add a label. Let's put a label here. Over here, let's define the size of this label to a reasonable large size. So let's click this and let's assign that this dot label one dot text equals to settings. Okay, seems reasonable. Let's execute. We should see, if you run this, we should see. Okay, I'm only seeing the, yeah, that's something. Let's see. I'm only seeing chunks, so I think, let me, oh, I see. I need to append though, plus equal. So plus equal. Okay, now it should work. Okay, as you guys can see, we have this configuration. If we change this, you guys can see that we got different results every time we change this. So the main point here, the main takeaway is that you guys can configure a desirable configuration to your project. So you guys can use this to take to select settings to your project. You guys can see I can check and uncheck some settings to for my program to behave in a certain way. Okay. So thank you guys for watching this video. See you guys next time.